Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to our channel Uniquely Tut. How to calculate working days in Excel. Exclude any days you want, weekends too. We have start date and end date. We will calculate how many days in this period. So in fast one it will be 9 days. And in the one will be 10 days. Now we will calculate how many working days exclude weekends. Using function network days. International. As you see, it will be 7 days. Open calendar and see by yourself. 7 days without weekend days, Saturday and Sunday. Look, we will calculate all days in this period. Exclude Saturday and Monday, it will be 7. Now we will calculate specific working days. Only Monday, Tuesday and Saturday. Using the same function but with small update. Including days will be 0. Excluding days will be 1. So Monday, Tuesday and Saturday in this period will be 0. And other days will be 1.